What's up guys, this is Akshay from AS Learning, and today in this video we will be building a multi-agent system for solving JEE exams. For JEE exam contains 3 subjects: maths, physics and chemistry. For each of the subject we will be creating an agent, and we will be having a router agent which will redirect the JEE question to the respective agent, and then that agent node will solve the question and return the output to the user. We will be using langgraph package for creating this workflow. I am using 1.0.3, the latest 1 series launched by LangChain, and I am using OpenAI's GPT-4o model for creating this workflow. Okay. So let's first start with designing our workflow, and then we'll go into the respective functions. Firstly, from our agent state, I've created a workflow object from the state graph class of langgraph. State. So what is agent state? Agent state will contain the asked JEE question and its answer. In our case, it is not like a chatbot which will keep on maintaining the user query and its answer, and the state will be maintained across the session. Here it is a one-time flow where one JEE question will come, the router agent will redirect that JEE question to the respective subject node, it will execute it, and user will get the answer. So not a lot of thing is happening around the agent state. Okay, so it will just maintain the JEE question and the answer, okay, of the router agent, and accordingly the answer of the respective subject agent. Okay, yeah. So this is how we will be first initializing our workflow object. Here I'm adding 4 nodes: router node, maths node, chemistry node and physics node. These are our 4 respective nodes of our workflow. Okay, and we need to connect these nodes. So first we will start with permanent edges. Start to router node, then we have conditional edges, because the router node will decide on the asked JEE question which subject node should the JEE question be redirected. Hence it's a conditional edge, and we are creating a conditional edge in this fashion. Okay, and we are maintaining how it will go to the respective subject node in our routing logic function. Okay, and we have a respective maths agent node, chemistry agent and physics agent being connected with the end state, because it's a one-time flow. A JEE question will come, it will first come to my router agent. The router agent, on the basis of the routing logic function which will be right, will decide which subject node the question should go. The respective subject node will solve the question and will return us the output. Now we have designed our langgraph workflow. Now let's get into the respective functions which we have defined here. Okay. Now this is just simple importing. This is our OpenAI key, as I'm using my GPT-4o model. This is how I have defined my agent state. I have inherited it from the typedict class. Typedict help us in maintaining the types of our keys, and it helps us maintain the structure of the state in the across the nodes. Okay, here I'm initializing my chat OpenAI object with GPT-4o model. I have kept the optimum temperature of 0.7. Okay, and here are my respective agents. Okay, so this is a simple maths agent. Here I've added some very detailed description in our doc strings, because this doc strings will be helpful for us in for our router agent to understand where exactly the JEE question should go. Okay, so math solving agent that uses LLM to process and solve maths agent. What are our arguments? Our agent state, which contains the user query, and it is also returning our agent state. Okay, with the updated answer being solved by this agent. Okay, here I've maintained a prompt that you are a JEE maths expert and solve this maths question, and invoking and maintaining it in a state. Okay, similarly for chemistry and similarly for physics. Now let's get into the router agent. Now what is router agent doing? It is capturing our user query from the command line. We are taking the input from the command line, and accordingly on the basis of our routing logic function, it is redirecting it to the respective agent. So here I've maintained a doc string of it. Here on the basis of the doc string, here we have maintained a dictionary, agent docs. Okay, and we are using the doc string of it in deciding exactly to which agent the ask JEE question should go. Okay, so the prompt which I have written is, you are a router agent for JEE exam questions. Your task is to choose the best agent for the job. Here is the user query which will be coming from the user. Okay, you can choose from the below agent. Always return the agent name. It will return out the agent name, and as per the agent name being returned, our next agent node will get called, and the respective node then will execute that query in its logic. For example, the query, for example, let's take a simple example. Find logarithm of x square. It's a maths question. It will come to the routing agent. It will take the input from here. Okay. Once it's here, from the doc strings of our respective agents, it will select from a user query which agent to pick. It will return math agent. Once it's returning math agent, it will go into math agent, and here it will invoke out from the ask user query from the state, will return the answer, and then this answer will be showcased as the output to the user. Okay, so let's see this in action how it looks. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, now let's say let me first start with a physics question. Okay, explain force, force and velocity. Okay, not a JEE level question but a simple one. Okay, okay, let's do one thing. Let's ask him a complex question. Okay, let's get into JEE level. I'm not giving him anything. I'm just asking him first thing. Okay, so here I gave him the question. Yes, paste it. Okay, it went into physics node and it solved it, and it returned me the answer. Okay, it gave us some error that uh, the maximum speed attained by the block is 1 ms. What is the maximum speed? I think I re-entered it again and hence it gave an issue. Okay, so maybe just give it a retry. Let me run it again. Okay, let me paste it as one line. I think the pasting did a problem. It took it as two separate questions. It went into physics node and it gave us an answer. Okay. Similarly, let's try with a maths question. Okay. What is the logarithm of x square? Simple one. We'll go into a maths node and it gave us the answer. Let's do a chemistry one. Explain mole concept in detail. Not JEE level questions, but I think they will work for that too. It gave us the answer. Okay. So similarly, this is how we created a simple multi-agent system where the input can be a JEE question. Okay, we can tune up the prompt because JEE is a MCQ based paper, right? So we can tune up the prompt to select one of the option from the MCQ, and the question can go as input, and then accordingly it will pick up one of the option from the options given in the JEE question, and it will solve it out. Okay. If you want to make it in an iterative way, you can add a maybe a simple for loop, okay, for each of the question. And if you want to add some retry logic, let's say it gave some error that you want to make it more robust, that it want to add some retry, then we can add a simple continue block with some n parameter of retry. Let's say try twice or thrice. We can set it as a parameter, and if it still is not giving the answer in those parameters, just return that I'm unable to answer this question, and accordingly it will be more robust for with a retry mechanism, and also for n number of questions being asked in one single flow. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is what I had in this video. If you learned something new, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You can join the WhatsApp community, and stay tuned to AS for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care, peace out.